Can you call Grandma? Call Grandma. How did you do it? Really? It's the light. Can you call Grandma? How did you call Grandma? Let me see. It doesn't turn off that light. It turns off the refrigerator light, not the kitchen light. Silly boy. Okay, shut the door. Goodbye.